Good morning. Did you sleep good?
Whose wing was that?
One of the white ones.
Oh. Oh, look at Skeeter's walking on your feet, just like you said.
Hey, that's my phone, chicken.
My phone.
Yeah, she's trying to get Mama's phone.
These chickens.
The zoo. What are we going to see today?
Animals.
Animals, yay. You say Happy Mama's Day. You swimming in the water?
I see monkey.
Okay, let's go see the monkeys. Sit down, buddy.
Whoa.
Hi, penguins. Yep, we're going to go see the monkeys. What do you see? A baby gorilla. She's swinging? Yeah. What does the peacock say? Good job. Say hi, peacock. What color is it? Hi, fishies. Wow, those are some big fishies, huh? Whoa. Wow, turtles. Yep, here comes the alligator. Here he comes. Oh, he bought the turtle. Like Nemo? Kinda. Wow. That's amazing. Look up. Look up at the other ones. Wow. He's in the grass? Yep. Hi, peacock. We bud?
I'm riding the big swing.
We're riding the big swing. You're riding the big swing? Look at how high up in the sky we are. Look, you can see the alpacas over there. What's making noises?
Lion.
A lion?
Lion making noises too.
Oh, okay.
Lion making noises too.
Okay, lion's making noises too. What do those kitties say? Meow. Those kitties say rah. Yeah. Oh, big yawn. Kitty tired? Where is he going? Oh, there he is. Oh, you're going to feed him num-nums? I don't think they can reach over here, bud. Wow, Liam, what does an elephant say? What does an elephant say? Good job. Yes, we're waiting in line to ride the train. You on the train? We're in the caboose. We will go really fast. We're riding the train, buddy. Here we go. What are we doing? Riding the train. Where are we? The zoo. We're gonna ride the carousel with your horsey. Hey. You ready? Woo! Good job hanging out, buddy. What did you say? Happy
Mama's Day.
Mama's Day. Say good night.
Great.